Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is how to replace the battery in the MyQ door sensor. And this is the door sensor that the piece that's attached to your garage door. So what you'll do is look at the bottom of it, and you can see that little tab right there. You're gonna stick a screwdriver in there, a flathead screwdriver, and that is going to release this cover. So you don't wanna rip it off your door because it's stuck to it with adhesive. So then it lifts off. This stays on your garage door, and that right there is the battery. So you just slide the battery out, pay attention to the orientation of the battery, because that's the same way you're gonna put the new battery in. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find very affordable batteries, and then also the very affordable MyQ garage door opener kit. Now that I put in my new battery and notice the orientation is correct, I flip this sucker over. And then with this orientation, I simply put it there. So that's important to note. You do the bottom part first and then the top, and it'll snap. Now it's back on. I push that sucker and I hear my door sensor over there, my MyQ. So my MyQ's like, you're all good, bro. You replaced the battery. That's how to replace the MyQ garage door sensor battery. And again, expand this video's description and click the link there to find the batteries like I use, and then also the MyQ kit. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.